and you can use your smoothly TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, anything here. I know people are scamming by charging you way more, too much money. So that's why I see that this video was in demand. I tried to find on YouTube, I couldn't find. So that's why I created this video. So finally, as you can see here, there's a big issue. Everyone want to use VPN. So here today, I can guide you about how you can use your VPN by living in China. Because most of the time people getting scammed by paying every month 50, 100 or 200 RMB from buying like a VPN, which even didn't work after a week or after 2 weeks or maybe a couple of days. You feel stuck. It will be a simple video. You literally can buy your VPN by yourself. So just follow the video, and at the end there will be a simple way. I'm not gonna get any benefit through this video. If you think this video solves your problem, make sure subscribe this channel and also tell me what else problem you're facing. I will help you. Without wasting your time, let's go on screen. I show you. Here you can see the link of this VPN is also known as Shadowrocket and also known as Clash VPN. Where you get the link, what you need to do is just open the link from the description. I will add this link in the description. Just open that link. Then you're going to get this interface. You can see at the top. You just need to create one. You need to create account. This is IQ. Sign up your account, pick any name. I'm gonna check Zen Ellie. Then we just go here. You just need a Gmail address like here. You just need to copy your Gmail. Make sure that don't add this part, otherwise it will give error. Then just try to get your email verification code. Code is sent, so we're gonna get our email code. We get 6-digit verification code here. Copy this part. Go back on your VPN where you're creating account. Paste it. Select a password. After selecting your password, confirm your password. Then sign up. Now your account already created. Just wait some time. You can save this if you want to save as a password. Maybe it will make you trouble a bit because it's all in Chinese language. You can just go translate it for you. I can understand Chinese, but for you, I click here. So you're gonna get the translation version. It convert in English. So for you now, it's very easy. On the right top corner, if you want to change the language, you can change from here, English or simplified Chinese. You can click which language suitable for you. You can click and understand this IQ VPN. From IQ VPN, everyone buy their VPN for Clash links or Shadowrocket links. All links you can get here. You need to do, go down. Here's a store where you do shopping, where you get your VPN. If you want to get the 1 day, go down. You will get here the traffic, only 30 GB traffic for 1 day. It's a perfect package. You're gonna get 30 GB. You can get the 3 months only in 30 RMB. How to pay, how to get this VPN, I'm gonna guide you each and everything. So simple, transparently. Just follow the video, and after that, just go 1 month, every month. Just close. So finally, for the payment method, you can pay with Alipay or WeChat. If you want to pay with WeChat, go click on WeChat, go down, pay now, continue to pay. So you need to pay here with the barcode. With your WeChat, you need to pay 12 RMB. So with the barcode, or if you want to pay with Alipay, just click on Alipay, go here, and it's on the system work. It just means it's trying to take us to on the second page, so just wait. So finally, as you can see here, you just need to scan this. Let me scan for you. We're just gonna go here and scan this from your phone Alipay. You just need to scan this barcode payment. After doing that, the payment is done. So as you can see here, you purchase with 12 RMB. What you're gonna do is you wanna use on Windows, just click here. If you wanna use on Android phone, click here. If you want to use on iPad, if you wanna know how to use, just click here. And then the last one is for your MacBook. Simple way. If you forget this page, you can get them apps and tutorial. Just go here. Simple. If you want to use this VPN for your Windows, what you need to do, click on Windows, go down. Here's the process how you can download the Clash. You literally can download the Clash from here directly from this by clicking here. Then go down this for your window, Clash for Windows, and after that just go down, and here's that part. You can do again translation from here. Copy this Clash node. Just click on this copy. What you need to do, click, and it will be copy. Where you need to open your Clash like here. I'm using Mac. You can get here Mac, Linux, Apple. All things you can get done here. You need to use Android. Mine is Mac, so I just go with the Mac. I click on Mac, then go. If you don't have a Mac Clash, you directly can download from here. Click here. After downloading that Clash, already downloaded, what you need to do, open the Clash here, come, and it will be directly copy paste here. So what you need to do, start login. Here you need to click to start. Now go back and let's check another browser here, YouTube. So as you can see here, it's working. As you can see that is what you can see that what you get in 12 RMB. You can see here on your dashboard, 5 users can use. It will expire within 30 days. And here you get 300 GB data for 30 days. 5 devices you can use. I will use in a while. Getting this VPN, you can just follow same step. steps, or if you want to get the PDF how to use it, you can comment the PDF. If you feel trouble, I can send you the PDF. And second, there is a link below. You can click on that link and create your account. By doing that, you will get free 50 GB data for 1 day. If you sign in through that link, you're gonna get that 50 GB free data. If you get your VPN through that link, you're gonna get free 50 GB of data for VPN, and then you can use your smoothly TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, anything here. I know people are scamming by charging you way more, too much money. So that's why I see that this video was in demand. I tried to find on YouTube, I couldn't find, so that's why I created this video. I hope it works you. And if you think this video useful, share with your friends, colleagues, or with your partners who want to use YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram in China to grow their business, to enjoy their life. I think that's it for today. I hope it's gonna help you a lot. Thank you.